How to use X or formerly Twitter offline. If you want to use the X application offline, even when you're not connected to the internet, you can't truly use X offline because it is an online platform designed for real-time communication, and for that you require an internet connection. While you can download your data for archival purposes, you cannot browse the live feed, create a post, or interact with content without an internet connection. And some users utilize third-party RSS readers to view cached content from X-related feeds, but this is not an official way to use the platform. Now, even if you're not connected to the internet, you can still browse through some of the features. For example, once I load the Twitter app, I can just turn off my internet connection, as you can see, but I'm still being able to browse through the posts that were loaded earlier, but I cannot go ahead and post it or like something and so on. So I hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.